Okay, we received a package from WeTech.
Ano ba yan?
It's a WeePro. Tigas ng package
Yan.
It's a WeePro Universal Anti-fog Insert. Meaning universal?
It will fit most helmet visors.
Correct. So check natin kung ano naman.
Sala natin isa.
So ano mga laman?
So ito yung tela.
Yeah, panglinis ng lens, probably.
Tapos ito
That
na
one
yung
is?
mismong anti-fog. Yung
Ano yung red?
Red, ito yung guide na i-install mo sa harap ng visor. Then ito yung mismong anti-fog film, yung blue.
Okay. So, test natin to doon sa lens natin, yung clear lens natin. Here. Before we do that, experiment muna tayo. Papakita natin yung fog mismo.
Yung mismong fog. Okay?
Alright? We have warm water and our lens. Now let's form the fog. It's now foggy. Okay, before natin install, linisin muna natin. Please refer to your owner's manual ng helmet kung paano linisin. Baka merong preferred how to do it. Let's begin this.
Okay, so lilinisin muna natin to. So I need lukewarm water since na mainit tong ginamit ay kanina. So we'll add cold water to it para mawala yung sobrang init niya. Then I need cotton to clean it. So first, kuha ko ng cotton, dab ko lang siya ng konti dito, then babasahin ko lang siya para mawala yung dirt, some oils na kumapit na dito. You can also wet the other side, yung inner side ng visor. Tapos once na fully soak na siya with water, then pwede na natin siyang tuyuin. Pag kunyari, nakita mo na natanggal na yung dumi-dumi niya, then you can use new cotton, then tuyuin mo na siya hanggang sa fully dry na yung ating helmet. Reminder, check nyo yung owner's manual on how to properly clean your helmet visor. Okay?
Now I'm about to leave again. I just need a second, never wanted this to end.
Okay. You can also use a microfabric cloth, yung pino yung fibers niya para to clean and to dry your helmet visor. Okay, so tuyo na siya. So we can actually use this just to clean it further.
It's silky smooth. Super clean. Add on.
Linisin lang natin. Baka may mga tumikit-tikit pa.
Yeah. Yung likod. And then we're going to install it na. So we'll remove it na. Okay, yung red eye guide. So, tanggalin ko. So install mo muna. Hahawakan ko yung lens. Dapat center.
Oo. Center siya. Meron siyang nakalagay dito, remove. So ito yung pandikit niya sa lens. So make sure lang na nasa center line yung ating guide.
Depende na sa'yo yan.
Oo, depende na sa'yo yun. Kung
Ano yung center mo?
oo, kung yan na ba yun?
Check ko nga.
Oh, check mo. Helmet mo yan eh.
Galing. So we got it. That's the center. So ito yung guide mo para install yung insert. Now it's time for us to install the insert.
So make sure, ito yung blue tab, make sure yung ito ay nasa ibabaw. So ito yung tatanggalin mo afterwards.
Okay.
So ngayon, isa-sentro mo na siya. Meron din siyang lines, isa-sentro mo siya doon.
Okay. Yeah, the best way is to bend it. Galing. Ano?
Okay, may side out mo.
Okay, sige. So we're done. Now it's time for us to remove yung blue tag. There. Then we will remove the red tag.
Ayan na siya.
So, try natin ulit with hot water.
Dying, I should stay.
The coffee.
The hot water actually. So itetest natin kung what will happen. Oo.
Meron pa bang fog?
Let's see. Anong difference?
Oh, wala!
Oh, wala. No.
Dito sa walang nakalagay,
Ayan.
anti-fog.
Ayun, nakikita nyo.
Dito wala.
Ah.
Wow,
Oo, matindi to. Diba? Kita mo yung difference kasi may part ng visor na walang anti-fog film eh.
So,
Ayan o.
merong fog dito.
Pero dun sa baba,
Wala.
merong film, wala. So, it's
Amazing,
actually working.
Pero, meron pa tayong i-check.
Oo.
Usually kasi pag naglalagay ka ng ganyan, may nangyayaring distortion sa video.
Sa video, parang nagkakaroon ng
Yeah, so,
yung parang sa salamin ng mata. Na parang grado.
so install natin sa helmet. That one. Alisin muna natin to. Magko-coffee ba?
When I die, bury me with hate. Couldn't even see me dying, I should stay. Fuller now, better than I've ever been. My mind is straight, now I'm back to me again.
That's it. Now we'll try vision distortion. Okay, that's my vision. Nada.
Okay siya.
Nada.
Nice.
Okay. That's it for our WeePro Anti-fog.
Tagaling.
Visor.
Ayan. So, there you go. Na-install na namin.
I like it. I like it. Okay, that's it for our WeePro Anti-fog.
Thanks for watching.
It's actually working, right?
Now I'm back to
Yeah.
me again. Call me up, now I'm back.